Hello, it's your fellow YouTuber Rodney XD. I'm gonna fix Nehemiah's Xbox 360, but here's your 360. It's plugged in and it has the 3 red rings of death as shown here. Let's get cracking. So if you're fixing your Xbox 360, and well, what you need is 90% to 100% rubbing alcohol, so no dirt will be left behind when you're putting your Arctic Silver on there. Yeah, that's what I need, so I'm going to Walmart right now. Come home, tires. So I'm at Walmart. Rubbing alcohol. That's what I need, 91%. That's good. The moment of truth has arrived. I'm gonna test this bad boy out. Got it plugged in. The AV cable, the plug in, the power brick, controller ready to go. Turn on. It's green. Abba? Rod? Colonel, yeah? I'm here, what's up? That whole 360 went 180 on you, what happened? Yeah, I know. I wasted 5 hours of my life. What shall we do, Colonel? Laugh, you got it.